ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ತುಂಬ ದುಃಖ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇದ್ದು ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಟೀಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಟೀಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ, ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ಅಂಡ್ ತಮಿಳ್, ಕೊಚ್ಚಿನ್ ಶಾದಿ ಚೆನ್ನೈ 03 ಅಂತ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಜನ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಫೇಕಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್? ತಮಿಳ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಪೀಪಲ್, get in touch with me right away for faking the all bloody nonsense stupidity news. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? What will you get by this? It was just a small issue. ನಾಗರ್ಕೋಯಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ತಮಿಳ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ಮೂವಿದು ಕೊಚ್ಚಿನ್ ಶಾದಿ ಚೆನ್ನೈ 03. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೂವಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಮೀನಾಗಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು 56,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಫೋರ್ಸಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಎಂಬ್ಯಾರಸಿಂಗ್. ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ವೈ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟಚ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ರೈಟ್ ಅವೇ. The media people who is publishing very wrong news. This is not tolerable. Because ರೂಮ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾಗರ್ಕೋಯಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಗಾ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ 350 ರೂಪಾಯಿಂದ 450 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ 500 ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಒಂದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಂಟು. ನಾನು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 2 ದಿನ. ಅದ್ರನ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ ನಂಗೆ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ so much of money, 2,000 rupees to pay the bill? Do you really think, Tamil media people? Huh? It was like my clean was not being, my room was, sorry, I'm so speechless. My room was not being cleaned for going and asking in a reception the words which was, rubbish. Kannadadodgi, I'm a Kannadiga anta helbitu you people treated me like this? Huh? Where are your people media? Get in touch with me right away. I know my movie team people are very busy in shooting. All alone the girl traveling from Bangalore to Trivandrum, from Trivandrum to Nagarkoil for a shooting. You people treat me like this? It was a production issue where they had a financial issue. They couldn't pay the bill. It was not that me who ran away without paying a bill. Okay? You need to understand first. It is so insulting, It is very insulting. It's all about my family is also there. You need to know. I'm not all alone staying. Okay? I really have no words to tell this media people who is published wrong. My name is Akshata Sridhar Shastri. You can make a note of it. My name is Akshata Sridhar Shastri. My name is not Manju Savakar. My director name is Manjit Divakar. Producer Latif Bai. Okay? You can address them. What was the issue first? The bill which is being paid by me to get out all my entire crew. You know that? None of the girl would have taken this kind of a step to support the production house. It was just a small issue. Room was not being cleaned. I had given a key around 6:30 a.m. in the morning. I came down from a shooting at 8:30 and room was not being cleaned. The day 17th, I went to Trivandrum. From Trivandrum, I had been to Nagarkoil for a shooting. After we completed our shoot, I just started to my room, Ganga Palace Hotel. Those people, hotel people, tried harassing me. They have, tried manhandling me. They abused me, saying that I'm a Kannadiga. This was the issue happened. Just they couldn't clean the room. Basically, they didn't had a basic sense. They didn't had a soap, normal. 5 rupees soap they couldn't afford. 5 rupees toothpaste they couldn't afford. They didn't keep those things there. First of all, that was the issue. And second issue was I didn't even raise this issue for the soap. I just called up reception. I asked him, you people don't afford at least kind of a soap nor a toothpaste. They said, no, we don't. Fine. I thought, I didn't knew that it was a very local, low class hotel. As my team has a financial issue, they couldn't afford a good hotel for me. I have been adjusted with that. All alone I was traveling. For the first schedule, my mom was there. I had no issues. For the second schedule and for the third schedule, they couldn't afford the amount for the flight ticket nor staying. As a team, I was with them. I struggled with them as they were also struggling. I don't understand. Being a girl, none of the girl will take a blame on her for not doing anything. It was just the issue of not cleaning the room. When I asked them, they told me that I don't need any sympathy from anyone. Okay? Just respect women. Being a girl all alone, I stood and I tried filing a FIR in Kotar police station, the nearest police station. The reason I called up 100 was they were abusing me. Podi ulla, podi. The slang which they used on me was very bad when I asked the reception guy. And the local manager, main Sridhar his name is, he was the person who started all these issues. He need to be involved right away. There is a CCTV footage. They tried harassing me. They tried hitting me for asking for not cleaning the room. And it is so embarrassing. The cleanliness was not being maintained. If the cleanliness is not there, definitely you will fall sick because we are human beings. We are not from slum, right? If slum also people, they have their own dignity. Everybody has their own dignity. We are human beings. God has given only so much for us. Only so much. That's all. We have to be with how much ever we have got. Today you might be rich. Tomorrow you'll be a poor. That you need to understand, media. Come on. It's a high time. Pull up your socks. You need to address me first. You need to ask me what was the issue. Nor you need to concern our team. What was the issue? When I asked, they abused me. They tried manhandling me. And later they have written a wrong statement on me. This issue was being forwarded to 100. And before that, when I told I'm stepping out of the hotel because they insulted me, they tried hitting me before that only. I don't know. What are you people doing, team? I really don't know what you people are doing. You're doing a shooting. On top of this, yes, I respect you people because I respect producer. He's invested. He can't stop. Everybody has their own, we have to stand in everyone's shoes and understand. I didn't carry my assistant. My mom was not there. Nobody was there. I was the all alone girl, stood for myself. Legally, yes, I can fight. But I can't travel from here there for 2-3 years. Because I'm not being secured. Yes, I've asked the police people to secure me. They've already done it. Thank you so much, Karnataka people. I visited with my mom yesterday with my lawyer also to a commissioner office. Everything is being filed from here to push it to Tamil Nadu. I don't know why you people are behaving like this. Even you have a family. You have your mother. You have your daughter. You have your wife. What are you people doing? When I tried filing FIR, they didn't take it. The reason, hotel, where is the hotel main person? Where are you? Come in touch with me, please. Mister, please. Okay, yes, crying will not answer. It's been hurted to me. Who published the wrong reports? Media, come in touch with me right away, please. This is my humble request. It was not necessary that you people have to make it a big issue. Hotel people, the local manager, Sridhar sir, you are the person who bought local Gunda. They were around 10 people. I never manhandled. You people, the reception person who was sitting, older man, is very old. And they have told that in a wrong statement that I tried. No, I not tried. I slapped him, smashed him. And the security tried pushing me out of the hotel. And they have told that I have, slapped security also with my sandals. Chappal. Will anyone hit with a chappal for asking for not cleaning the room? Do you really think that would be a valid reason? It's a high time. I'm safe, guys. Don't worry, I'm safe. I was brave and strong. Each and every step which I was taking, it was being updated to my mother. She was there on call. She was the person who told me to call 100 immediately. They can pull out the CCTV footage. I'm really being very thankful to my fight master Jackson sir, because he knew that, when I was traveling 9 o'clock when I came down, when he was also there in the lift, I told him, saying that they haven't cleaned the room. I just wanted to give the key to them and I'll go get some fruits to eat where I'm very hungry. All alone I was going. He said, don't go alone. I was like, okay, let me peep and come out. He said it was not safe. But still, I didn't go out. I went and requested them. The word reception person told me that they haven't cleared the bill that was not being, put across in a proper word. He used all foul languages saying that the bill was not being cleared. 56,000 bill was not being cleared. I said, I will clear my room bill. Could you please, it was a request manner. Could you please clean the room and give? They denied it. They started manhandling on me with that gundas, and even that local manager also, he abused me very badly. He's asking, Iva enna periya heroine? It is not periya heroine, chinna heroine. We are not heroines. We are not heroines. We are also common women, okay? Stop harassing women. Stop it. Stop blaming. See, there was a mistake from a hotel, Ganga Palace, Nagarkoil. It was a purely mistake. You can open the CCTV footage. If you have a recordings, you can check. They tried manhandling me. My people tried the best to stop it, but it couldn't. Even my producer was being locked inside the room, saying that he was being threatened. If he supports me, things will go wrong. My entire crew was being locked. They had pulled our cameras, car keys, and everything for not settling the 56,000. This issue already, they have spoken saying that next day morning, they had a fund shortage, which was to be given to the hotel people. They had spoken to them that next day morning, 10:30, this will be, cleared. And issue was being done. They would have asked producer about this, but they directly asked me. I said, this is not my issue. You can talk to my producer. Even my fight master was there with the pin to pin, what was happening. You can cross-check with my crew. I stood for my crew, man. Mr. Media people, Mr. Media people who wrote all these things. You are also guys, who came to shoot over there. Put all the shootings which you have done, which happened over there. I'm safe, guys. I was brave enough to come out of this issue. We were being threatened. We were being threatened by hotel people, local gundas also. And main culprit was Mr. Sridhar, local manager of Nagarkoil, who was coordinating with our team. I really don't understand. Media name, tell media name. You would have seen in the posters which I have put. I want all those media people to get in touch with me right away, nor with my team, to know what is the concern. I will address it with a proper way. I've spoken to Mr. Sunil Kumar Sir, Commissioner, about this. Could you please come in touch with us? Please. It's a big time. You can't write on a girl rubbishly. I saved my team. It was, I stood for my team and I did it. Was it wrong? Tell me, was it wrong? I've already, complained to our Kannada Film Chamber and they will take an action regarding this. My people are supporting me for the issue. They have addressed about this. The first call I made from there was to Mokshendra sir, who's a press person. I've explained him each and everything. This issue needs to be addressed by my team people also. I don't know. When are you people coming? They've told that they will come. I don't know when they are coming. It is already late. It is already very late. The issue occurred on 18th December. 9 o'clock the issue happened. I tried filing a FIR. The FIR was being rejected by the local police station. They had taken money from the hotel people, local gundas. I have all the FIR thing which was supposed to be submitted. They rejected it. Local gundas, how they spoke. Very badly they spoke about a girl. I asked them, you also have your mother, daughter, wife, correct? But the answer was very bad. Very, very bad. I tried filing the complaint. They didn't take it. Yes, I tried filing a complaint. They rejected my complaint. FIR was rejected. I'm getting calls from my family, man. My mama is in US, America, and they're calling and they're worried about it. First, convey the matter to the media. I have conveyed. I'll do a press meet very soon. I have conveyed. My chamber people will take an action about it. My Karnataka chamber people will take an action about it very soon. I really have no words for this media people for publishing wrong. Man, do you really think that I can't afford 1,000 rupees per day for a room rent? All alone girl traveling from here. Yes, it's my production house mistake, first of all. And my mistake also. Believing my people and going so far. Because it was a family for me. I thought I can travel anywhere. I thought I can travel anywhere with my family. I will be secured. ಇವಾಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಐ ಬುಕ್ ಮೈ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಆನ್ 19th evening and I'm back to Bangalore. I'm been back to Bangalore. You know what? My mom is going through media people. You know this? Are you really a man, guys? Nagarkoil guys? If you would have really been a man, then you wouldn't have done this to me. I'm really ashamed of the people who is done. I haven't done any wrong. You can pull out all the CCTV footage. You can pull all the CCTV footage. My team was being locked. They didn't send even a single person out. But bravely, my director, Manjit sir, and Shahjan manager came out with me to file a FIR. FIR was being denied. Even my team people have done a mistake. Yes. But, it is my family. What to do? Now at least I need to understand. People been concerned calling me, my friends, my family. I'm really being thankful to you people. I'm safe, not to worry. I want the media people of Tamil Nadu to get in touch with me. If my team is not addressing, I will address the concern. Please, can you? My name is Akshata Sridhar Shastri. You have published a wrong name. Yes, guys, I'm being brave. That's the reason today I'm back to Bangalore. By God's grace, nothing happened. Just imagine if they would have done something, locking all my people. They've already locked, and if they would have taken me somewhere and did something, who will come? Team, who will come? You people didn't address my mom also properly, man. Producer sir, you didn't address properly. It was a wrong statement which you did also to my mother. I don't want to reveal that. I'm not a rowdy. I stood for myself. Self-defense I have done. They told me that I'm a Karnataka rowdy heroine. That's the reason I'm safe to my Bangalore. That's the reason I'm safe to my Bangalore, man. Come on. Try to understand the issue and then publish it. My entire Kannada industry people know what am I. And I've worked in Telugu. Tamil also I've worked, right? You can get in touch with my directors, past, with whom I have been worked. With all the directors, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam. You'll understand what am I. And how I am with my team, how I interact with my crew. How I interact with my crew also you will understand. Guys, you are not understanding the seriousness of a girl who stood for herself. You're blaming me for unnecessary thing. Production house couldn't afford that amount. I've been helped them. It was my family. I have helped them. I didn't run away from that place. They tried manhandling, harassed me, abused me. So I just took my luggages and I came out and I stood. Hotel people were the person who called up the media, especially, Mr. Sridhar, local manager, did all this drama, hangama. What did you get out of it? ಏನ್ರಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ என்ன கிடைச்சிச்சு உங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணி பப்ளிசிட்டி வேணுமா ஃப்ரீயா உங்களுக்கு பண்ணிக்கோங்க என்ன வெச்சுக்கினே யா பண்றீங்க ನನ್ನ ನೆಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ why are you keeping me as a pawn and you are hitting me guys I don't know what to talk. In which ways, I'll take an action about this. Thank you so much, guys. I can't talk more than this. I'm going. Thank you so much.